From time immemorial, our ancestors revered nature as a god, worshipped it. People of our whole land always lived in harmony with nature. But unfortunately, nowadays you can't see such a picture. If you throw the garbage, the earth will die. Flowers are in bloom or cling to your mother. Laces the eyes and singing inside.